flood warning for the entire island of Hawaii and Hawaii County until 1 a.m. At 9:13 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain over the entire Big Island of Hawaii. Rain was falling at a rate of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Several stream gauges remain above flood warning thresholds island-wide. Flash flooding is ongoing with reports of highway closures and flooding in local communities. Hazard: heavy rain producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: significant and life-threatening flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Multiple public road closures expected, as well as landslides in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the entire Big Island of Hawaii. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The heavy rains may cause rock and mudslides in steep terrain areas.